I'm super excited today because today's video is for business owners. Are you a business owner who is wanting to add an online course to your business for passive income? Is that you? Because in this video, I'm going to share with you step by step how I added an online course to my business and then eventually went full-time as a course creator. Now, if we have not met before, hello, my name is Molly Kaiser. I am an online course expert. I've done over $8 million in online course sales, and I love helping people just like you to turn their passion into their very own profitable online course that will generate consistent passive income. All right, so let's talk about it. How did I, add an online course to my business? So back in the day, my very first business, I was a photographer. And within a few years, I had grown that to a multiple six-figure photography business. And a lot of people were asking me how I did it. And I was doing coaching and workshops and things that people were asking for, but I was also still a photographer, still running that business, still managing my employees for the studio as well. And honestly, it all became a lot. I was trading my time for money all the time. We're talking weekends, weekdays, all the time, missing out on important things, right? And so when I found out about online courses, I remember, oh my gosh, literally I remember calling my dad on the phone and being like, I think I have $1 million idea. I remember I was in my studio in the left side, the big bay window, called him on my cell phone, and I was like, I think I have $1 million idea because I had just found out what online courses were. I believe this was in 2014. And it's honestly crazy even recording this video because I did go on to grow that course to $2 million per year. It's honestly crazy to think I called him on the phone and said I had $1 million idea, and I did. Which is insane. But yeah, so back to what I was talking about. I had this photography business. I was doing the workshops and the coaching and all that. I found out what online courses were. I decided, it took me a long time to decide on my course topic. I covered that in other YouTube videos, but eventually I decided on creating a course for other photographers on how to grow their business, book more clients, charge more, all of that kind of stuff. And, I think a lot of you guys are probably in the same position I was, where obviously I was very busy, right? And so you're in this conundrum where you're trading your time for money, which makes you extremely busy. So you need a course, but yet you don't have a lot of time for a course because you're already busy, right? It's quite the conundrum. I remember at the time just telling myself, look, if I keep waiting until I have time, I'm never gonna have time because I don't already have time. So I knew that I had to make the time. I was like, you know what? If I don't make the time now, I'm just gonna be stuck trading my time for money forever. And I can't be, 60, 70, 80 years old with a freaking 30-pound camera around my neck, climbing ladders and doing photo shoots and things like that. Heck, even just last week, I actually unfortunately had COVID and it sucked. And I can't imagine how much money I would have lost having to cancel all my photo shoots versus I was able to make passive sales. Ding, ding, ding. I'm making money while I'm literally coughing my brains out in bed. So I'm very happy that I made the decision. But going back to where I was, I had to make the time. So I literally went into my calendar and I blocked off 10 hours a week. If you're right now in the position that I was in, where you're you're really busy, you're a freelancer, you're a service-based business owner, you're a small business owner, whatever you are, you're busy trading your time for money. You need to create a course for passive income, but you don't have any time. Time's never just gonna come to you and be like, oh my gosh, look at you miraculously have all this time, right? You have to create the time. So honestly, I would love it if you would just pause this video and go to your calendar right now and block off at least 5 hours a week. And just think of it this way, this is a small sacrifice for you to have the bigger picture of what you need and want and desire later on. It's kind of I hate to compare it to weight loss, but it's just a super easy analogy. It's kind of oh, I'm not gonna have cake with dinner tonight or whatever so that I can lose that pound tomorrow or whatever it is. Just an analogy. But that's really what it was for me. And it wasn't easy for me to block off those 10 hours. It certainly was not easy, but I had to make it happen because I knew if I didn't, that it was never gonna happen. I knew no one was gonna create my course for me. No one was gonna market my course for me. No one is gonna do all these things for me. And in fact, I think that is something that a lot of aspiring course creators think in their head, oh, I'm busy, so I'll just pay someone to make my course for me. I'll just pay someone to market my course for me. Now, technically, can you pay someone to create your course for you? Sure. However, it's still going to require just as much work on your end. You're still gonna have to have meetings with them. You're still gonna have to come up with your frameworks. You're gonna have to come up with all the content. They're not coming up with your course content for you. They're simply packaging it for you, which takes the least amount of time. And then there's people who are oh, I'm busy, so I wanna pay someone to market my my course for me. Well, I hate to break it to you, but you know, I've had a lot of people come to me saying they spent, you know, $20, $50, even $100,000 paying other done-for-you agencies to try and market their course. Never was successful. The thing is that, you know, when it comes to your course, you really are an asset. They want to buy your course because they like, know, and trust you, right? At the time I'm filming this video, like Reels and TikToks and stuff, they work really well. They're really cool. Obviously it might be something different a year or two from now, but you can pay someone to basically like create a funnel for you and run ads to that funnel. But the thing is that if it's not already tested and proven organically, it's most likely going to fail and lose you a lot of money. And I'm not trying to be a Debbie Downer. It's just that I literally have people coming to me crying almost every single week about how they spent all this money on a done-for-you agency and it didn't work out for them. And I truly believe like you need to be the one to at least start marketing your course. Then you can build processes and hand them over, you know, to freelancers or employees or whatever, which is exactly what I do. But yeah, I would never pay someone to like do my, like all of my marketing and like build my entire course and do everything for me, because it would never be the same. It wouldn't be what I want it to be. So anyways, that's a little bit off topic, but my point is all you need to do is just carve out that time. Again, I only carved out 10 hours a week. That's all I did. And what I did was I came up with my course idea and then I started to build a following. Now there's several ways you can do this, but the fastest, easiest, and cheapest way to do this, if you don't already have a following somewhere, would be a Facebook group. Yes, I know that this is 2020 when this video is coming out and you might be thinking Facebook's dead or whatever. Facebook still has the most active users per month. Facebook groups are still the fastest, best, easiest way to grow a following of buyers for your course quickly. And then I call this sort of your short-term follower growth strategy. And then I have my students pivot to a long-term strategy. So that can be YouTube, Instagram/TikTok, blogging, podcasting, you know, there's a lot of different ways. And I do teach them all in my course, but that's exactly what I did. I came up with my idea and I built a following of buyers in a Facebook group. And all I needed was 200. In fact, I kickstarted a brand new course in 2020 and I did this exact same method where I grew my group to 200 people. And within 30 days, I had done just under $17,000 worth of enrollments. So you don't actually need a lot of people. You just need the right people. You need buyers for your course. You don't just need clicks. You don't just need likes. You don't just need comments. No, you need actual buyers for your course. Okay. So again, came up with my idea, built the following of buyers, and then I kickstarted my course. Then I was able to teach my course live and record everything and then put it into course hosting software and then make it passive. Now, I know I just went over everything really, really quickly and you might either be overwhelmed or have lots of questions or want like a more detailed, in-depth for each part of those frameworks and strategies. And I'm absolutely going to give that to you. In fact, I have a free on-demand training. It's just 60 minutes. And at the end of this video, I'm going to share with you click by click how you can register for your free seat for that training. And it's going to go into all of those steps in detail for how you can kickstart and add an online course to your business and start profiting in 30 days or less. And then how you can make it automated for consistent passive income. Okay, so now that you know how I added an online course to my business, let's talk about how did I go full-time in course creation. Now, some of you guys watching this video, you might not ever want to go full-time as a course creator, and that's totally fine. Most of my students, you know, when I think about it, it's like they already had a business or were a freelancer or a service provider or whatever, and they created a course and now they're able to trade less of their time for money, but they already loved doing the thing that they did. So for example, my student Lisa, she's a personal chef. Now she didn't give up being a personal chef, but she was able to add an online course to serve more people, to make more money, to trade less time for money, but she still loves doing the thing, you know, being the personal chef. So she still does that as well. So it's really up to you. So for me, when I first created my first online course, by the way, my very first year, I did $200,000 with the course, which is still crazy. And I remember thinking, oh my gosh, I'm never going to stop doing photography. I'm never going to stop being a photographer. But I was a photographer for like 16 years, like a professional photographer. So that's just like how long I had my business and was servicing clients and all of that. And it's okay to outgrow things and pivot things as you go with your career, right? For me, once I added on that online course, I thought that was, you know, I was just going to do photography and have the online course as additional income forever. But eventually I ended up wanting to move. We moved from Wisconsin to Austin, Texas. And well, now I'm in Albuquerque, New Mexico. We like to move around. But anyways, it wasn't easy for me to just pick up my studio and all of my existing clients and move. But that was one of the greatest things about having an online course, is that I could move, live, and work anywhere in the entire world at any time I wanted to. It could be from a coffee shop, it could be from the beach, it could be from my bed, it could be from the couch, it could be from wherever, and I could still make money. So I ended up moving, and I did still take some photography clients here and there, just like I converted our guest room to a studio and, went on location and things. But then after a while, honestly, my love for courses just kept growing and growing and growing, and my love for photography just kept dwindling. And, I love photography still a little bit, but it's just not the thing I want to do full time, and that's okay. And I think that's what's so cool about having an online course. Like, not only is it great for passive income, but it's just great for freedom in general. Like, it allows you to work from anywhere you want to move wherever you want to make money no matter what the circumstances are, to be able to make passive income sales while you're sick in bed, right? Which is absolutely my favorite part. So for me, I was a photographer and I added my online course on, and then eventually over the years, I just became a full-time course creator. So let me know in the comments below, are you wanting to start out adding your online course to your existing business and then go full-time as course creation? Do you want to keep doing both, indefinitely? Or do you just want to go full-time into course creation right away? I don't know. I'm curious to hear what you guys think. So let me know in the comments below. All right. So hopefully by now you are just buzzing with ideas and inspiration and motivation for your own online course. And maybe right now you have a lot of questions. Maybe you're not sure how to decide on that one profitable course idea to start with, or maybe you're not sure how to create the curriculum and actually create the course, or maybe you're not sure how to start making money in 30 days or less. Maybe you want to learn more about my Kickstart strategy that I talked about. And if so, I want to invite you to my free on-demand training where you are going to learn just that and lots more. And so I'm going to bring down my video, bring up my slides, and show you click by click how to register for my brand new free on-demand course training. And I can't wait to see you there. All right. So all you have to do is go to profitablecourses.com/class, and it's going to bring up a page that looks like this. The design might look exactly like this, or it might look a little bit different because we do split test the pages. But just know that you're on the right page as long as it says that this is my free instant workshop on how to create your own online course that generates consistent passive income. I'm so freaking stoked. You are going to learn a lot. This is value packed. All right. So you're going to learn how to discover your $1 million course idea and how to position it for profitability. You're going to learn how to design your course curriculum like a professional in 60 minutes or less. And you're going to learn how to start profiting from your course idea in the next 30 days, and then how to automate sales for passive income, just like I have done. All right. So all you have to do is go to that link, click on register now. You're simply just going to fill in your name, your email address, select the date and time you want to watch it at, and then you're going to click register now, and you're going to be able to watch it instantly or at the date and time that you have selected. I cannot wait to see you inside.